So our question today is related to fruits. Everybody loves fruits, but is there a certain time, a good time to eat a fruit? Because we think that just because fruits are good for your health, you can have fruits anytime, maybe after a meal or between a meal. But is there a certain time that's best when a person should eat fruits?
Fruits is one of the food what we consume without cooking. When you eat a fruit, there is no cooking is involved. There are dishes which are made out of adding little bit of fruit. So say suppose if you take a banana bread, it's baked, the flour is mixed with banana and then baked. So
Right.
there are many like they add pineapple in rasam, like that. It's also cooked at one point. But mostly the food as a food, fruits are one which are not cooked. So in ancient Tamil science, if you see, they have given importance to three major fruits. One is banana, next one is mango, third one is jackfruit. So mango is being agreed by the humanity as number one fruit in the world. So banana is one which can help you in your cleansing your blood. It's a detoxification agent which can make your blood alkali from acidic conditions. But then jackfruit has got a unique components in it which can directly help your bone marrow. That's the only substance in the world, jackfruit, which can help your bone marrow. We have no other food in the world which can help your bone marrow as a fruit. There are innumerable number of other fruits which are available according to the geographical conditions of those countries. Like if you take Australia and New Zealand and all, you get these kiwi fruit grown out there.
Kiwi fruit. Right.
Yeah, so grapes are there, so many number of fruits are there. Hill stations have their own fruits, plains there, they have flatlands have their own fruits and whatnot. In fruits, one has to understand, the wrong concept is the juice. Juice should not
Okay.
be taken, because what you do is, if you're going to sit and eat orange, three orange at the same time, you peel the skin and then you take each single part, and and then you have it, slowly munch it and eat it. It takes about 15-20 minutes or whatever it is to have your three fruits, but then you eat them with the fiber. But when you take three orange juice and make a juice, orange fruit and make a juice, you finish, you make your juice however time you take a glass of juice. Of course, you add sugar in that, and you drink it off within no time, 1 or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You drink it off within no time, and the fiber is avoided there, and the essence of it is taken, added with sugar and taken there. It is a rush of glucose into your system because you are having it in a short span of time. So the body has to struggle to dispose it, to transport it, to metabolize it and whatnot. This is one reason. There is no specific time for fruit eating. It is not that I eat my lunch at this time, after 1 hour I eat some. No. It's not like that. Westerners, if you see, they call it as a balanced diet. They have a appetizer called a soup, and then some food with some salads and whatnot, little carbo and all that. At the end of the meal, they have little cut fruits or whatever it is along with their meal. They call it as a balanced diet. So the problem with the fruits these days is, everything has become so commercial, and then people have to really survive to make some money out of their agricultural scenario, being the profession left back to them, and then they grow fruits to make their livelihood. The geographical conditions, because of voracious agricultural activities to meet the demand, and the human population is also around 7.8 billion. There is a lot of agricultural thing go on to meet the food demand, and then we use a lot of these chemical fertilizers. That's one side. But in fruits, the fruit borers and many pesticides are there. So we use a lot of pesticides to protect the growth of these fruits, before harvest. So that is what is creating a lot of problem to us. One. Two is they are also using a lot of components which I don't want to name them, to ripe the fruits, which is not correct. and then they also spray many things to increase the shelf life of the fruit more than what it can withstand. All those things are also creating a lot of ill health in humans when we consume fruits, because we don't have access to go to a natural habitat, and then naturally grown plants, and then they pluck the fruit and eat. No, we don't do that. We have no access whatsoever at all. It's all only agriculturally produced fruits are coming in for the disposal of our purchase, to bring it to the household and make a fruits part of your diet. But then these disadvantages of a huge amount of pesticides and chemical sprays on the fruits for their shelf life is creating a big problem in our biochemistry contamination when we consume them. But then there is no specific time for your fruits. There are ways and methods to cleanse these fruits in the traditional system is there. In some other conversation we will be able to discuss them in length. Thank you very much.